Gujarat. Auto feed drilling machine with multi-spindle drilling heads. This is the panel board. Pillar attachment and proximity sensors. There are three proximity sensors: the top one, middle one, bottom one. Top one controls the upper limit, middle one controls the feed, and the bottom one controls the bottommost limit. This is a hydraulics power pack which is connected to the machine. In the hydraulic power pack, the basic hydraulic, you have to check out the level, and the pressure has to be minimum 20 bar, and in the working stage it should cross 20 bar. Fix it up, bring it in front of the machine, drilling machine, put it in the manual mode, bring down the spindle to the bottom position, just keep in the front and bring down the head to the bottom position. Now put all the screws here in all the four with a washer in the bottom. This is how you have to change the multi-drilling head. Need not to open the top screws, you have to open only the bottom screws. Now after locating this, you have to rotate the spindle so that the drive exactly locates inside the spindle. Check out this before engaging. So after engaging this, put all the screws and tighten it. And now it is fixed with the multi-drilling head machine. Now fix up the drills in the collets, and now locate the drilling heads. Sometimes it may be not straight, so you have to move the bottom surface and locate the heads easily. After locating the drills exactly, and the basic is it should not make any noise when it moves inside the jig bush. Then locate the T-nuts at the bottom T-slot plate. Then put the screws with the washer at the bottom plate. All the multi-drilling heads with the fixtures are with separate bottom plates. Now the drilling head has to be adjusted so that whenever you move the head to the bottom, it should not make any noise. The drill should move very easily. Check it out. After it is fixed, just tight four all the four screws. Now put the clamp component in between the fixture. The three spindle, the component has to be put inside that, located inside that, and switch on the machine. Now the drilling is being done, and after it finishes the hole, it goes up, rotate the handle to the next position, and then the head will come down and it will do the second drilling. The cycle is set in a way so that it does both the holes automatically. You have to move the fixture to the other end. Now the second drill is also being done. Now if you want to take out the multi-drilling head and fix the new multi-drilling head, you have to open the four nuts in this way. Take out all the four nuts, take it out. Need not to open the drills, it can be in the collet itself. Loosen all the four nuts. The multi-head will come downwards. Now loosen the bottom plate bolts, or all the four bolts, and always while tightening, always tight the opposite screws and do the minimum tightening, and then finally do the full tight. All the screws should be tightened equally, and while loosening it is not an issue. You can loosen the screws, and the whole multi-drilling head along with the fixture plate can be taken out and can be fixed in the other machine, or the next multi-drilling head can be fixed in the same process as we did for the first thing.